Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3156 printer driver and how to download driver and how to install and how to connect to printer. So open any browser to Google search box to type like that Epson L3156 printer driver. After that you can see the first Epson co.in and just click on it. Scroll down. So click on it and click to download. So you can see printer driver and click to download. Scroll down. I agree. Now you can see the supported Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 64-bit, all is there. Okay, click to download. After that you can see it is start downloading. This is totally 63.28 MB. When it is completed, just single click to open and then yes. After that you have two options. First, check the network printer if you have to default, and second, automatically update if you want to check, otherwise you have to uncheck this one. Okay, then click to OK. After that click to OK again. I agree and then click to OK. After that you can see the printer driver is installing, and after that you have two options. First, network and via USB. So first you have to on your printer, connect if you want to install the network, so connect the LAN cable. Okay, and after that click to OK. So it will search like that. You can see the LAN, local area network. If you want to connect LAN USB cable, so select the USB and connect printer to your laptop or computer via printer USB cable, and then click to OK. So when you can connect, it will detect. Okay, then next install. After you have to restart your system and printer also, and then check if printing it's okay. If not, you just comment me, I will support. Thank you.